FalconViz was started by myself, Luca Pisson, and Mohammed Shalabi. Luca Pisson is a PhD candidate in earth sciences. About 2 years ago, I came to him and said, I have a problem. I want to be able to scan these areas, and I realized that if I can scan them from the air using the software that I'm developing that stitches multiple images together and can do reconstructions, I can save time and get a much more accurate picture.
What I could then do is bring my expertise and my experience in flying cameras into the air using drones and UAVs, multi-rotors and planes.
And so we worked together to develop a prototype that mounted a camera system onto these copters and to fly autonomous flights over different parts of the KAUST campus.
The Jeddah vice mayor happened to be visiting some professors at KAUST, and he saw the 3D model. When he found out how it had been done, he was blown away. He really wanted to do the same for Al-Balad, which was going through the process of being recognized as a UNESCO heritage site.
All our drones autonomously fly on their own. Basically, our map allows us to create in high detail autonomous flights through the area. We can fly even low to the ground where there may be interferences such as light poles or telephone wires or other things that typically an autonomous flight would crash into. There's so many different applications we can apply this to. When people began seeing this, they realized the application of this can fit so many different needs and fields. And so we began working together also with Mohammed Shalabi and really developing a plan of how we can provide this as a service to not only Saudi Arabia, but the Middle East and eventually even the globe.